they're never gonna bring me anything again.
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you, Lamarr Wilson here. Back for another video. Xbox hat, just in case you wonder why I'm wearing a dad hat. Well, I'm a dad. Not like really. You don't know that though. But anyway, Xbox. Got that at E3. Jeff from Xbox, one of the heads of Xbox, he came to my house, well, today, but as of your time, yesterday, and dropped off this Xbox One X. This just got announced. So, like, when this video just come up, it just got announced. Gears 5 Edition. I have a lot to tell you about this because it's a lot that's blown my mind. I have not seen it, so we're going to look at it together, but then I have some stats that are in the email I'm going to have to read because there's a lot to this. So, let's get started. It's still the box. All right, so while I'm opening this, let me just, I gotta show you just the box. It just looks mesmerizing. This is the Gears 5 edition. If you don't know what Gears is, Gears of War, 5th edition. And it's, you know, based on Kate, of course. That's the storyline they're going with this time. First of all, this is the Xbox One X, not S. So it's gonna be the same $499, but boy, do you get a lot of stuff with this. Oh my God, okay. So, nobody got time for all this? Okay. Is there something special in here that I need to know? No. Oh, so, just like the Scorpio, what's the Scorpio edition, this one comes with a stand. Remember, not all the Xbox One X's came with stands. This one comes with a stand. So that's even another bonus if you like a stand. This was a special design, and I broke a nail. So the front of this, oh, they were right. I haven't seen it. You just told me. It's translucent. Okay, so let me just show you that. I lowered the lights a bit so you can kind of see. So that is translucent right there. What this is the Crimson Omen immersed in ice and snow, and is designed by the Gears co-creators Rod Ferguson and the Xbox team. Laser-etched cracks appear across the console's icy top surface, and snow drifts across the golden locust symbol on the back. These are the cracks, of course, that you see representing that ice and snow. Now, the controller, I heard, has Kate's insignia. Ooh, yes. Like, I mean, the colors are popping. Okay, so that has Kate's insignia on it, and the locust symbol, of course, you see on the back. And then just look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is just bright and beautiful. Look at those colors just popping. So if you're gonna dock it on the stand, and there you go. And I will have that stand the remainder of the video. Not only when you get this, and it's available September 6th when the game comes out, you're gonna get a full download of Gears 5 with this. But we ain't done yet. You get full game downloads of Gears of War Ultimate Edition. Now, Ultimate Edition comes with the original Gears of War 2, Gears of War 3, and Gears of War Judgment. But wait, there's even more! You also get full downloads of Gears of War 2, 3, and 4, a 1-month trial of Xbox Game Pass, and a month of Xbox Live Gold. I mean, if you just put all that up in retail, they are just giving away those games. That is crazy. All of this will be available September 6th. And I'm privileged and honored to be able to show this early to you all. Whenever they do have a link, I don't know when they're going to have, whenever a link available, it'll be in the description. There probably won't be anything down there right now because this just got announced. Okay, so now it's time to plug it in, plug it in. Here we go. Okay, it sounds like breaking ice or something. I'm not sure what the sound's supposed to be. And then when you turn it off, oh, hold on. Is that turning off? Here we go. Yeah, that's the turning off. Okay. All right, so that's going to do it. So Xbox team, thank you for coming over to bring this over. Next few videos are already filmed, so you won't see it back there. But eventually, by the end of this week, you'll see this nicely displayed back there. Comment below how beautiful it is. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? You're everything I hope for. Yeah, Kate. You're everything I need. You are so beautiful. Here go the high note, guys. To me.